Working with Rolling Shades was an excellent experience. First of all, we were looking to get some work done around our house, and obviously it's always better to go by referral. So our neighbor right next to us, she referred me to Rolling Shades, and I was contacted about what we want to get done. Very delightful engagement, respectful, and very professional. So we got the estimate, had some things to work out with respect to the estimate, what needed to be painted, and when. So we got that process nailed down, and they came out and did a walk so they could see actually the work that was going to be done. And showed up here the day of the work. Good news is they had estimated 3 days. It took only a day to get the work done, which was outstanding. Very professional, very timely. We also had some moving to be done, and there was another crew that did that. And the sequencing between the movers and the painting went well. I'm giving you all this level of detail. This is kind of what I do for a living, so I was very pleased with how that went. And again, the guys are very professional, know their job, and the quality of the work is top-notch. In fact, we're going to be having our Rolling Shades out here to do phase 2 of some painting for us. So I would highly recommend them. You'll be very pleased and delighted with the team, with the quality, and with the overall experience. Thank you.